Hey guys, another tutorial. That's right, we're back on Studio. So we're gonna have, I'm gonna make a settings for you guys today. So we're gonna view our main menu. So, don't worry about that yet. This frame, if importantly, no, it's supposed to be here. All right, what is this game? Now let's make a settings frame. Yes. Okay. What is this frame? Yes. Now there is a text button here called play. And duplicate this play button. Make this settings. So let me change the font. Roboto just doesn't work. We need to. Let's change the text play to settings. Settings. Play. We'll make the text color white here, so it can be really blank white. Can do that. Let me just change this color to really white as well. And we'll change this to really white as well. Okay. And the settings, we need to go to script. You can delete this little script. You're just gonna create a play button. Okay, that's what you're gonna do.
It's white.
And okay. And you're gonna click settings. Yeah, settings. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna insert another frame in this frame. Make it right around this corner. Make it about. Hold on, let's make this frame invisible. So that. Hold on. You can play. Hold on. Visible. Let's turn that off. And it's gonna open up a new tab here. Now I'm also gonna change the background color of it. So, what color do I want it to be? Let's say orange. Yeah, that's nice. This really dark orange. And let's click OK. So after you've done that, just make it a little bigger. Let's head to this. The X button right here. Duplicate that. And then make it go onto this frame. Yeah. And then make it a little bigger so I can. So then that's a local script that's going to close the frame. Now let's add a text label. Okay. So let's put that right there. Let's make the background transparent. Go down. I'm gonna make it that Nanito. There, and then let's make that settings. We need to make it text scaled. So that's bigger now, and we can insert. There's a frame. Okay. And then we're gonna insert another text label. Or if you want, you can take that text label off like that. Duplicate this one. duplicate that, drag it down. Text, background. Okay, it's on caps. So, background music. Background music. Let me just be a quick. Alright, I finished my background mute button. So here, you can copy me. We're gonna have to rename this at some point. But let me just show you the script. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna want to have some background music. Mine's is in a folder. Let's just go ahead and put that into a workspace and into this folder. And then you need to rename it. This is renaming. You rename it background music. Music. Okay. Music. Towards the search way. Go to text button. That's not. Frame text button. Text button. Text button. And insert a. I think it's a local script. And then local background music. Whatever you named it, but don't know. And look at the rest of the script. Alrighty guys, we are back and you can copy the script. The script will be in the description. Hold on. The script will be in the description. But before you do that, you're gonna want to rename this. Actually, I think this is wrong. This works, but technically you just still have to do another piece. But you're gonna want to call this local. And listen. Hold on. Listen, you can get the script in the description below. But now, if it gives you an extra line, you're gonna want to do it. If you test it out, play it. Okay. Alright. So, hold on. Okay, hold on. Oh. God, oh God. Copyright music. Right, I knew something was wrong. It works. He did something wrong. Alrighty, so we're gonna head to the mute local again. Before this, we're gonna put that, and I didn't see the script. Except that I know that script.Parent is there. Script. Parent. Oh, no, don't do it. Okay, just do it. Back on track. Listen. I know it's been a lot. The problem is I don't know where my music is, and that actually terrifies me. Okay. Yeah, I deleted the girl because Shirley. Okay. Here it is. I'm just gonna have to do something a little bit more to this. So I'm gonna just go ahead quickly and rename that to settings, frame, and it actually works. So nice to know. That's pretty much it. Okay. Just one more thing. I need to set this to from visible to uncheck that visible. Boss fight. Oh, no. Wait. Where did it go? Oh, thank goodness. I thought, like, where did it go? Yeah. Enabled. Yeah, enabled. Oh, screen joiner. Sorry, I didn't check. Frame. Where is it? Visible. So visible. Yeah. All right, there. Let's new fix the main menu. Uh, this text dash settings added. Settings added. Room for that to no. Wait, okay. Hopefully I can find text button that's it's text button. Insert a script in that. Script that parent oh no. We're going to miss this. Oh, mouse button one click. Connect function that enter script parent dot parent dot settings frame visible. Okay, let's just test this out. Hopefully this actually works. I know I'm gonna oof like 10,000 times. That's totally copyright. I hate this. Dude, that's so. Oh, he's gonna shoot it. I can't. Okay, that was no.